Bitsy. Bitsy. There you go. Oh no.
She's starting to get rough now.
It's okay. Don't pop her. Watch what she did.
Yeah, she hurt him.
No.
She did too. Look at his eye. She bit at his eye. You need to settle down.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Told you. It's on now. Look for somebody falls. Oh God, she got her around the neck. The cat did. See, Charlotte, or not Charlotte, Missy's trying to get up around her neck. Watch. Oh, chihuahua butt there. Bitsy. She's like, don't distract me. That's what the cat's waiting on.